Welcome to the Challenger Pro community. If you've already watched the explainer video, perfect, because now we're going to get practical. In this series of lessons, I'm going to break down every major feature of Challenger Pro so you know exactly how to use the app to create high engagement, viral challenges. And yes, monetize them. First, a quick but important distinction. Challenger Pro has two user interfaces. What you're looking at right now is the creator's view. This is your control room. This is where you build challenges, configure them, and manage everything. But when someone in your Whop community clicks Challenger Pro in their sidebar, they'll see the participant's view. From the participant's view, they can see the challenges you've made available, join a challenge instantly, track progress inside active challenges, and collect achievements, like badges and certificates, as they complete milestones. We'll cover the participants' side in a later lesson. Right now, we're focused on the creator's dashboard because this is where everything starts. The creator dashboard, your command center. As soon as you install Challenger Pro from the Whop App Store, this is the first screen you'll see, your dashboard. And you'll notice it's built around 5 key components, 5 things you'll want to monitor at a glance. First, active challenges. This is the number of challenges currently running. Quick note, this does not include challenges and draft challenges that are paused or challenges that have been archived. Active means that the challenge is available and running. Next, total participants. This shows the number of people actively participating across your challenges. This is your overall community engagement metric, your how many people are in motion right now number. Third, participants joined this week. This tells you how many people have joined your challenges during the current week. This is a powerful metric because it gives you instant feedback on whether your challenges are spreading and whether your community is responding to what you're publishing. Fourth, total revenue earned. This is the cumulative revenue generated from your monetized challenges. As you continue launching monetized challenges and people keep joining, this number keeps climbing. Think of this as your challenge income scoreboard. And finally, my challenges. This is where you'll see every challenge you've created, along with the status of each one. Inside this section, you can browse all your challenges, see if a challenge is free or monetized, search challenges by name, filter by status like all challenges, active, draft, or archived. And when you're ready to launch something new, hit Create Challenge. That button takes you to the challenge creation page where you configure everything: proof, submission settings, monetization settings, certificates, badges per stage, and more. We'll cover that entire build process step by step in an upcoming video. Now let's look at what each challenge card or banner is telling you. On each banner, you'll see the challenge name as well as the status, active, draft, or archived. Underneath that, you'll find how many stages the challenge includes, how many active participants are currently in it, and how many people have completed it. This is where the magic starts, because your challenges aren't just posts. They aren't just lessons. They're digital assets that can run continuously where people can join anytime. And in later videos, we'll cover exactly how you manage challenges while they're running, including the proof submission process and approval flow. Challenger Pro is the first app of its kind that lets you take the content you already have and turn it into interactive, proof-based challenges that drive engagement, accountability, and revenue. You're not just creating content anymore. You're building experiences, you're on the cutting edge of interactive learning, and you're about to see just how powerful that is. All right, let's keep going.